How to deactivate Facebook account? First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you land on your home page, navigate to top right corner. There you will find your profile icon with three-line icon just below the chat icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Scroll down a bit and then tap on settings and privacy, and then again tap on settings. Now once you land on settings and privacy page, again tap on this section that says Meta Account Setter. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on personal details. Now under personal details at the end there is an option that says account ownership and control. Tap on it. Here you will have two options, that is memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So tap on deactivation. Here you have to choose your Facebook account. Again you will find two options, either to deactivate your account or to delete your account. To deactivate, choose the first option, then tap on continue. Here if you have any pages or additional Facebook profile which will get deactivated if you deactivate this Facebook account. After that, tap on continue. Now for your security, you have to re-enter your Facebook password to continue. Once it's done, tap on continue. Now you have to provide the reason why you are deactivating your Facebook account. Choose your reason and then tap on next. Here you can read all of this information given to you, and it says automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. Tap on it. And if you like to reactivate within these days, you can choose, or if you like to choose the last option that says don't reactivate automatically, select that and tap on done. Once you're done with that, tap on continue. Here you have to confirm your account deactivation and then tap on deactivate my account. And with that, now your account is deactivated. So that's the way to deactivate your Facebook account